Discover the cutting-edge features of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is here, redefining what you can expect from a flagship smartphone. This device combines premium build quality, state-of-the-art technology, and extensive camera capabilities. Let's dive into the detailed specifications and see what makes the Xiaomi 14 Ultra stand out. At the heart of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, crafted using a 4nm power-efficient manufacturing process. The CPU configuration is designed for optimal performance. Prime Core 1xx4 based core up to 3.3 GHz. Performance cores 3xa720 based cores up to 3.2 GHz and 2xa720 based cores up to 3.0 GHz. Efficiency cores 2xa520 based cores up to 2.3 GHz. The Qualcomm Adreno GPU ensures top-tier graphics performance, making the Xiaomi 14 Ultra perfect for gaming and multimedia. Ample storage and RAM. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes equipped with memory 16GB LPDDR5X RAM with a bandwidth of 8533 Mbps, storage 512GB UFS 4.0, sleek dimensions. Despite its powerful internals, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra maintains a sleek profile. Height 161.4 mm, width 75.3 mm, thickness 9.20 mm, weight 219.8 grams, stunning display. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra features an all-around liquid display, a WQHD plus 6.73 AMOLED screen with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, achieving a pixel density of 520 to ppi. Key features include technology, LTPO, Adaptive Sync Pro Dynamic 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, Xiaomi Custom C8 OLED display panel, brightness 1000 nits typical, 3000 nits peak, HDR support, Pro HDR, Ultra, Dolby Vision, HDR 10+. Color range, 68 billion colors, DCI-P3 color gamut, true color display. The display is TÜV Rheinland certified for low blue light, flicker-free, and circadian-friendly, and protected by Xiaomi Shield Glass, advanced camera system. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra boasts a Leica professional optical lens setup, featuring main camera, 50MP YT900 sensor with a 1 sensor size, 3.2 micrometers 4:1 superpixel, and a stepless variable aperture from f/1.63 to f/4.0, telephoto camera. 75mm floating telephoto lens with a 50MP IMX858 sensor, f/1.8 aperture, and 10cm macro photography, periscope camera. 120mm periscope lens with a 50MP IMX858 sensor, f/2.5 aperture, and 30cm macro photography. Ultra-wide camera, 12mm ultra-wide lens with a 50MP IMX858 sensor, f/1.8 aperture, and 120 to field of view. Versatile photography features, Leica Authentic Look and Leica Vibrant Look, Leica filters and classic shutter sound. Portrait modes with master lens system, night mode, per focus, lightning burst, supermoon, panorama, and more. Video recording up to 8000 at 30 fps and 4K at 60 fps with Dolby Vision HDR. High resolution front camera, resolution 32MP, aperture, f/2.0, sensor size 1/3, 14. Field of view, 90, features, dynamic framing, night mode, HDR, portrait mode, video teleprompter, and more. Video recording. Up to 4000 at 30/60 fps with Dolby Vision HDR. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. Battery capacity 5000 mAh, wired charging. 90W hypercharge 33 mins to 100%. Wireless charging. 80W hypercharge for 6 mins to 100%. Reverse wireless charging. Yes. Charging port. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2. Efficient cooling system. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra employs the Xiaomi dual-channel ice-loop system for optimal thermal management. Security features. In-screen fingerprint sensor. AI face unlock. Connectivity and network. NFC, yes. SIM. Dual SIM, nano SIM plus nano SIM, 5G bands. N1, 2, March 5th, the 8th of July 20, 28, 38, 40, 41, 48, 66, 77s, 78, 79s. WI-V: Wi-Fi 7 capability varies by region. Qualcomm Fast Connect 7800. Bluetooth 5.4 supports SBCAA CAA PTX aptX HDAA PTX adaptive ALDACA LHDC 5.0 navigation and positioning. GPS L1 L5. Galileo E1 E5A GLONASS G1 .beidou: yes. Navic L5 other GPS electronic compass wireless network data network SAP superior audio experience speakers stereo microphones for mic array technologies Dolby Atmos playback support MP3 FLAC APE AAC OGG WAV AMR AWB High-Res and High-Res audio wireless certification formats MP4 MKV WEBM 3GP HDR support HDR10 HDR10 Plus Dolby Vision content comprehensive sensor suite proximity sensor ambient light sensor accelerometer gyroscope electronic compass IR blaster barometer flicker sensor X-axis linear vibration motor, laser autofocus, operating system. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra runs on the new Xiaomi Hyperos, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. Package contents, mobile phone, adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM eject tool, protective case, quick start guide and warranty card, safety information. Package contents may vary by region. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a powerhouse device designed for those who demand the best. With its top-tier performance, stunning display, advanced camera system, and robust build, it stands as a formidable contender in the flagship smartphone.